How many times have we all heard, it's not the heat, it's the humidity? Well, this one is actually true. Unlike other worn-out phrases like, men are such pigs. I mean, who comes up with that? Anyway, too much humidity can make you feel way hotter than what the thermometer actually says. And that's not all. The moisture can seriously damage windows and wood in your home. We've seen homes less than 3 years old with window sills completely rotted out. It can make your doors swell to the point that they'll shut at certain times of the year and not in others. But worse than what it does to wood is what it can do to you, your family, and to your energy bills too. If you're allergy prone, humidity creates a perfect breeding ground for mold and holds these potentially sickening allergens in the air longer for you to ingest them. Plus, since you feel hotter, you adjust the thermostat lower than you need to, which drives up your energy bill. So, what to do? Well, consider a whole house dehumidifier. These will actually pull moisture from the air silently, automatically, exactly as needed, and since it's with the other parts of your comfort system, it's hidden away instead of out in the room like the portable units. The water is then collected and runs to a drain, so you never have a messy pan of water to empty. These are remarkable devices and can pay for themselves in lower energy bills, fewer repair bills, and maybe even fewer trips to the doctor. Call or email us for any information we can share about dehumidifiers to help you stay cool and comfortable. That's our job.